Hi, my name is Billy D'Addario and I write romance novels. And today I want to talk to you about using affirmations as a way to improve your writing and your writing practice. Have you ever thought about using affirmations as part of your writing practice? I had never thought about it until recently, and it's something that I did some research on and I now feel really strongly about, and I really feel that it could help my writing practice. And so I'm going to put it into practice, and I encourage you to do the same. Here's some of the research that I found. I found that people who put affirmations, who make affirmations part of their writing practice, actually it improves their it changes their brain chemistry. It changes their brain neurons, and it can do this in as little as 22 to 66 days. So it happens fairly quickly, but there are some caveats. You have to be consistent. You have to write your affirmations for 10 minutes a day. You have to discover a good binaural beat, a theta beat, to listen to when you practice your affirmations. You have to use affirmations that are in harmony with your goals. You have to listen to your affirmations before and during your sleep patterns. That way they can get into your subconscious while you're sleeping. And so I have 20 affirmations that are good for writers here, and I'm going to give them to you right now. So get your pins out. I'll also link them in the description box below. But here they are. Number one, I trust the universe. I trust the universe. It gives me exactly what I want, exactly at the right time. Everything works out perfectly for me, and I am creating my dream life. I am worthy of receiving my yes. I am creating my dream life. I am worthy of receiving my yes. Now release everything that is not serving my highest purpose. Number 4, I am worthy enough to follow my dreams. That's really a good one. That's one that I use, because I sometimes feel like I'm not worthy to follow my own dreams, that I don't deserve to follow my dreams. I am abundant in my finances, in happiness, and in love. I am creative and intelligent. My ideas are innovative and useful. I am creative and have the will to take advantage of my talents. Creativity flows through each cell in my body. I love to express myself creatively. I am a writer. Writing is my art. My writing is strengthened by constructive criticism from others and myself. Rejection is a valuable part of the process. I am creative. My words flow beautifully and easily. That's something that you could use if you have writer's block. I write every day with confidence and enthusiasm. I am devoted to my writing. I produce finished work. I am a gifted writer. Writing is my practice. Right now, I follow my inner guide and natural creative rhythm to establish a writing practice. Writing affirmations, like I said, writing affirmations take between 22 and 60 days to see the fullest effect. And the older you are, the longer it takes to take effect. For greatest success, again, follow these guidelines, okay? Be consistent. Write your affirmations for 10 minutes a day. Discover a good binaural beat. Use affirmations in harmony with your goals. Listen to your affirmations before and during sleep. So in the comments box below, let me know if you've ever used affirmations before. What was the result? And what is your most helpful affirmation? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot.